Hi everybody, this is Maureen from Mo's Cross Stitch on the 4th or the 4th of September 2024 on a Wednesday afternoon or lunchtime or dinner time, whatever day it is. So I'm going to, I finished the little puppy yesterday, so here is the little puppy in a cross stitch. I'm just going to start maybe doing the back stitch for him, and maybe I should wait till later on. And I've started to go upwards and do this bit up here, and I've actually went on to the cat's, done the cat's body and on to the cat's face now and get that done. So that's a wee catch up or a wee update on Nitty Man. And I'm going to do some white there soon, fill his ears with white, fill cat's ears with white, finish off with all the white bits, then move on to another colour. So that's my wee puppy dog finish. So now the cat. So he is so cute. And my whip go one, number 4 is I still need to do the wee bits in there, finish doing that. So I've done the tower and want to do the lamps and the flower. So that's a wee sampler for autumn. So that's 2 I've done recently. So I won't be able to do 2 because I've had a busy week. Monday, I don't know, this is a bit Monday. Wait for my group, finish my IT group, IT course, then wait to the nurse stitch group. Tuesday, took Clyde to the groomers. Groomers couldn't do nothing with him because his bum's still there. So they sent me straight to the vet at 6 o'clock at night and give him pain colours, shaved his butt, and he had high blood pressure, high temperature, high heart rate. So I'm giving him his tablets, so that will help him a wee bit. He's just a wee soul. I'll show you my boy. I'll show you this wee sad face. He's a wee dumpling. Oh no, look at this wee sad face. And there he's there. There's my wee sad face. Clyde, say hi. Say hi, Clyde. Hey, Clyde. Hey, Clyde, say hello. Say hello, bubbles. Clyde. Oh, you be shy. Clyde, you're not shy. He's just a cute boy. He's just not feeling well. So, that's my boy. He's just a clever pup. He's my baby. So we need to get him better. So the room couldn't do nothing for him until everything's go back to normal. So the day I was at my group, I was shattered. Registers that he needs to. I think my head has been weird. It's gone. I don't know. I think it's stress and worry of Clyde. So I had to use all the money in his bank, but I didn't use all the money in the bank because it didn't come to that much. So it's £70. And last week at the vet, it was £20. So I said to them about the insurance. They said, oh, next. They said, yeah, there's two options, put them on to paracetamol or give me his bloods. I said, how much is the bloods? They said £150. I went, I've only brought £150 out with me now. And that's from his bank. So says, what is it? I've got him in insurance. Said, well, next time I take him to it, and if he's, you know, the paste I got for his stomach last week's £20, and the £70 this week. If anything else things up, he needs to get blood for next time. If the tablets don't help, I can claim it through that way. So we'll see what happens, because he's at the vets on Friday for his vaccination, so he didn't get last Friday. So we'll wait and see. And this Friday he's at the vet for his vaccinations. See what they say. So I'm shattered. I've been worried about this wee man, my baby. At least he didn't go that far. It was got to cost me £100 or £200, but £70 not bad. So here's a dear pup. So what else did I tell you to do? Clary saying, oh, I've already given me his tablets, given me his paste, which is nearly finished. Fleed him yesterday. And I told Grandma we'll be back in 2 weeks. She said, I'll get a free haircut. You'll get a free groom to help me out. That's what she says. But I said, no, I'll pay. But I think she was going to do it if I was actually skint. Because all that money I took with me is actually out of his bank. His copper banks I took to Morrison's was £50 in it. So that probably came with his consultation. And £15 for his painkillers. So, and plus I had money on the nurse side of the bank. So that's what it's there for. It's for him anyway. So that's dog update. I'm still tired. I need to get back to my cruise session. I've had to try and finish this for this week. Or next week. So I'm just going to try to finish these two off. I've only got a couple of days left to do this one. I'll maybe try and get that one finished as well. And make a video of finishes. So wait and see. So that's just a wee update on whips and dog. That's if you're interested. No, if you're not interested, you don't listen to me ranting on about them, but I was worried about them. So I've got to say, if you enjoy this little short video of me, give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. See, I get a lot of views from the last video. What was the last video about? Oh, my arm thing from my cross stitching thing, but I haven't done any more stitching me's, but I will try and get them some done this week, what's left of this week. So that's all I could say now. So I'll speak to you again later. So bye bye.